Hey guys, welcome back. I was out here and I was just masking off, starting to mask off some of the carpet, just the stuff that doesn't need to get painted. But anyway, I figured you guys might as well join in on the fun too, because there's no sense in me just having all the fun. So we're going to be priming the dinette area, taping off all the carpet that doesn't need to be painted, and painting up there. So we might as well get to it, guys. Let's go. All right, y'all, that is it for priming. You want to ask me how I know? Because we're all out of primer. I'm not going to go buy any more primer. Everything is coated, I think, sufficiently. We got all the cabinets, all the walls, everything up here. That wall's painted. This wall is primed as well. It's in the garage, but I can't put it on because I got to figure out what I can do with that heat duct. I got to figure out how to raise it up some behind the wall. That's it. It's getting hot in here. So I think we'll pick this up tomorrow, and then we'll be putting some color. So that's it for today. We will see you tomorrow, yo. Hey guys, all right, welcome back. Let's throw some color on this thing. What do you think? I'll get some tape and we'll tape off these cabinets and wherever else the cabinet color doesn't go to the walls, and then we'll get it. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for the painting today. I got almost all the cabinets done. I didn't get the cabinets up there because I painted myself into a pickle. I got all the cabinet doors and stuff drying up there, and I don't have a place to put it all. Let's pick this up tomorrow, and we'll put the wall paint down and finish the cabinets. Hey, all right, guys, I am back out here. You can still kind of see there's some white still showing through. I could have probably tinted that primer. I guess I couldn't have because of the walls. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you guys with that. It's 4th of July weekend, and there is a sale going on with Best Buy. The TV that I have, it's got like curtains kind of behind it, I think from the soot somehow. I was going to pull that apart, so maybe we'll do that in the next video. I'll pull that apart, see if I can clean it. If not, I'm going to get a new TV from that Best Buy 4th of July sale. That's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Till next time, stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.